All right, moving on to our second to the last module of the class. This is graphical user interface programming with a module or library called TKInter, which is TK interface. And and then the week after Thanksgiving, we'll come back and jump into game design. And then our final exam week is just going to be an open lab work time. I'll be here for during our final exam scheduled time. I won't be lecturing. There's no exam, but I'll be here to answer any last minute questions, help you problem solve, or whatever you need to do. So we've got this week, and next week is new material, and then finals week is after that. And then we are done for the semester. So introducing TK interface. TK interface is a Python library. It is usually included as a standard part of Python. However, some of you, if TK interface is not behaving the way it does in my demonstration, the first thing I would recommend is updating Python. If it looks weird or it's behaving strangely or giving weird errors, you sure you've got everything else correct, make sure you update Python, because TK interface has actually changed quite a bit over the years, and the version of Python that ships specifically with a lot of Apple computers is a bit outdated. So if you haven't updated that, you probably want to do that. Python 3.13 is a good version. So anyhow, what TK interface does is it actually works with your operating system. If you're using Windows, or if you're using Linux, or if you're using an Apple computer, it works with your operating system. And it uses the native controls of your operating system. So that when you open a window using TK interface, it looks like it belongs on your computer. It fits. It doesn't look like some weird other program generated a window. It just looked like a normal window that you would find in any other program in Windows or Mac or whatever you're using. So it uses system level controls. It basically talks to your operating system from Python and uses all of those system level controls. It gives you a lot of capabilities. So you can do a lot of stuff with it, and you can finally build programs using Python that look like what you might think of when you think of a real program. So that's kind of nice. The other thing that you want to know about TK interface is that everything it does is organized in a hierarchy. It's things inside of things again. We do that a lot around here.